So thinking about the first question here, which was factors which enable globalisation, this is a good example of piece of homework because it's got lots of different examples and you need to have a good range. I'm expecting about 6 different things here. So TNC is absolutely brilliant in outlining the advantages there. You need to try and think of the all the good points for TNCs, and you really need to relate it to the question, which is why they enable. So they link different countries, factories in one country, manufacturing products and then sending it to other countries, the fact that they operate all over the globe. Things like the World Bank lending money to the less developed countries so they can develop. Might want to talk about the IMF too. World Trade Organization, really important that you say what they actually do. So they make it easier to trade around the world and they remove trade barriers, meaning that people can have better links. Transport, got to be specific about this. Really need to be talking about large ships, containerization, cheaper transport, possibly air transport for sort of fragile things or for perishable items. Communication really good, but you want a good range, and what you need to do is make sure that you give the reasons why it's facilitated globalization. So something you need to do a little bit more work on that. I've also said here, decide which is the most important. So I really would like your opinion, and the better ones gave people's opinions. So they might say, all right, transport because it actually links this and this, or actually TNCs because it's the cheap labour that makes everything go around, and the transport, something like that. On the other side, first of all, to say, really make sure you do use the QR codes when we give them, because that will give you the answers. Globalization, is it good or bad? Looking for a range of different factors here, and then your opinion. Really important to have your opinion. So a nice opinion here, I feel positive about globalization because, and give a range of reasons. When we're thinking about the good points, thinking about the opportunity it gives to the poorer countries, so job opportunities, regular wages, that then means people are paying taxes so the country can develop faster. Also the benefits to us, we can get products cheaper. Also thinking about things like cultural advantages around the world and how we benefit from people's culture, transport, links being cheaper, wider range of products. When we're bad, you really want to think about things like the working conditions for the people who work in the factories and the TNCs, maybe their sweatshops, talk about long hours, not very much pay. But you really want a balanced sort of argument here. You might want to also mention loss of culture or dilution of culture too. And really, if you've got a good list of the good and a good list of bad, then you'll be able to do a really good evaluation at the end and bring it all together.